Hi again, it's Steve from Stapling and Nailing Supplies. As you probably know, mytoolkit.co.uk. Today we're talking about hand-operated staplers. Made by Rapid, Swedish manufacturer, high quality tools. But this is an exciting range that's come out from called Alu900 Range. And it's about easy operation of the staplers. But before I go into that, there's three different models. There's a 53 series, a 13 series and a 140 series. I don't want to complicate things with that. There are three different types of staple. They'll also fire an 18 gauge brad as well, 15mm in leg length. And the staples, by the way, can fire from 6mm in leg length right the way through to 14mm. So there's quite a lot of range of staples. Ideal for all those stapling applications. It could be exhibition signs, graphics. But what I want to do is get across how easy they are to use. This one is the 13 series. You can see the body is the same on all tools. Bottom load on the magazine, just slide that back, drop the staples in. But you can also adjust the power as well. And by sliding that there, you can have like a minimum tension, midway and maximum. And the whole idea here is that you don't have to use any more force than necessary. So if you're doing a lot of stapling, obviously that will come into play. But Powercurve technology, it's a patented technology, and you exert 65% less power. So it's amazing. I mean, there's no staples in that at the moment, but that is just so easy to use compared to conventional staplers. So that's your 13 series. It's on a minimum setting there, and I'll just drop some staples in. There's a fine wire 13 series staple. Drop that in, close up the magazine, and I'll just fire those there. That's on a minimum setting, and that is just so easy to use. And of course, if you want to increase the power on that, you can actually hear that increase in power, but again, so easy to use. And that's actually countersunk the staple a little bit more, and then the maximum pressure. So obviously, depending on the type of woods, how soft or how hard they are, and the varying length of staple, you can get it to an optimum power setting, because you don't want to waste energy, do you? So regarding the brads, I'll slide out those staples, and if you bring the camera forward please, Chloe. I've opened up the magazine there, and there is a 15mm 18 gauge brad. And what it does, it loads one side of the magazine now. Close that off. I'll offer the timber to it, and I'll just do this on the midway setting. Put it onto the surface. Now you can see that is actually standing proud. Now, if you were just putting graphics on, that would be ideal, of course, because you could hold the graphics without going right the way through the board. And then if I just slide this over to the maximum setting, the same 15mm brad, you can see there, it's nice and flush. So there we go. As you heard me say many, many times, that is actually superb, and what that technology has brought to the industry, a lot of operators, especially in upholstery workshops, etc., will be pretty impressed with this equipment. So there we go, Alu900 Range from Rapid, and it's Steve from mytoolkit.co.uk. See you again soon.